Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 5. This is the third video for Chapter 5 Presentation Software. In this video, we shall cover three topics. Number 1, inserting pictures. Second, paragraph or line spacing. And the third, modifying themes. So let us start with doing all these activities practically in MS PowerPoint software. So in my previous video, I have shown you how to create a slide like this. In this slide, I have taken text box to enter text. So there are two text boxes here. Uh, Here you can see it as a title and here the second one. And I have also inserted one picture here in the slide. So now again I am going to take another slide, a blank slide, and I will show you how to insert pictures here. So for this, click on Home tab and New Slide option. So when you click on New Slide option, again you will get several different types of slide. Here difference is in uh, different placeholders present in the slide. So I'm going to take this blank slide. Okay. Now I have one more slide which is blank. You can see here there is no object present here, or there is also no placeholder in this slide. So we have to think how we have to design this particular slide. So first of all, I am going to show you how to insert picture in this slide. So as I have told earlier that we can insert pictures in two ways. For this, go to Insert tab and you can see here two options, picture and clip art. So here first option, picture, you should use when you have to take a picture file present in your computer. There is also another option, clip art, for inserting pictures. So clip art is actually a picture library, inbuilt picture library in Microsoft application of MS Office. To insert pictures using clip art, so click clip art option. So in the right part of this software, you can see this clip art option appears. So here you can see the first option, search for. So actually this is a library of pictures. So you can type your keyword or the topic regarding which you want to search your picture. For example, if I want to search pictures related to computer, then I will type here computer keyword and click on go button. So you can see here a list of pictures appear related to computer. So in the same way, you can type another keyword like school and click on go button. So you can see four pictures appear regarding the keyword school. So in this way you can search for clip arts here from this library. So I'm going to use a picture of computer. So yes, Now you can choose picture of your choice from this list. So I'm going to select uh, this one picture. So just double click here. So this picture will be there on this slide. So now you can move this picture anywhere in the slide as per your wish. So I'm going to drag this picture here in the right top corner. You can resize this picture using its resize handlers, diagonally or vertically or horizontally. So in this way you can insert picture using clip art. Now I'm going to show you how to insert picture that is stored externally in the computer. So I'm going to close this clip art option, and for this again click on insert tab and use picture option. So now navigate to your picture file where you have stored in your computer. I mean the location or the folder or the drive where you have kept your file. So I have kept my file in downloads folder. So I will click here downloads, and I have here several pictures, but I will choose this one picture. After selecting this, click on insert button. So now you can see the picture which I have selected there now appears in my slide here. Now I'm going to resize to make it smaller. So in the same way you can do just like you have done for clip art also. So these are the two ways using which you can insert pictures in the slide. So now I'm going to delete uh, this picture and move this picture slightly below. Now I'm going to insert a text box to put a title of this slide. So again click on insert button and click on text box option and return back to your slide and draw the text box by dragging mouse by holding your left click button. So I'm going to put this title computer system. I'm going to increase its font size. So that it will be clearly visible to all of you. Yes. Okay. So this is my title of this slide, and I'm going to make it bold and change the color of the title. So you can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to make this red. Okay. So now I'm going to insert smart art so that I can show you what are the different components in the computer system. For this, click on insert tab and smart art option. So there you will get this list of smart arts. So choose any of smart art of your choice. I'm going to select this one. Click on OK button. Yes. You can move this uh, and place it at any location as per your choice. and here you can see text option given, so you can add your text here, what you want to show here. For example, I am going to show this as processing device, and in the center I'm going to write computer system. In the left, input device, and here below, storage device, and the last in the right part I'm going to type output device. Okay, you can easily resize these pictures or shapes as per your wish, so that it will appear clear to everyone. So I'm going to magnify my screen so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now you can see this picture clearly, and I have written all the components of the computer system. So in this way you can use smart art to show different text options, and it is looking very attractive now. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to modify theme of your slide. For this, go to design tab, click there, and here you can see themes group. So these are the themes available. You can select any theme of your choice. So I'm uh, moving my mouse cursor over different themes, so you can see the change appearing in the slide also. So in this way you can change the theme of your slide. Okay, so select any theme of your choice or desire. So I'm going to choose this theme for this slide. So if you click here in for this theme, so it will appear in both slides, you can see. So this slide also get theme and the same theme for this both slide. But if you want to make or apply this change for only the second theme, so you have to right click on the theme icon, and you can see the first option is apply to all slides. So if you choose this, so this particular theme will be applied to all slides of your presentation. But if you want to apply this on your selected slide, so you have to choose this second option, apply to selected slides. So you can see this theme is only applied to the second slide only, not in the first slide. So in this way you can change the theme of your presentation. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change how to apply paragraph spacing or line spacing. For this there is need of text, so that paragraph or line spacing can be applied. So here in this first slide, I have here several lines of text. So first I have to select this and go to home tab, and in paragraph group you can see this line spacing option. So by default it is 1.0, and you can make this 1.5. so you can see there is increase in a space between these lines. You can also make this 2.0. So as per your need or choice, you can select the value for line spacing from here. So that's all students for this video. Thank you.